Creating exciting content means that exciting is like that your viewers are, looking forward to, that you enjoy playing. So let's take it like an example, like a gaming video. So I think most people that are playing games, they look forward to playing games. So what you do is you look forward to, to record your games, of course, and then the people on YouTube are looking forward to watch your videos. What's up everyone, my name is Alex and welcome to the last episode of Evolving into a Better YouTuber of this week, guys. In this video, boys and girls, I'm going to talk about how to be successful on YouTube. I would say like I can say something about that, but I think I reached something in in terms of YouTube. So I thought like, okay, let's just answer all your questions. So basically I'm going to like do 7 steps that you need to follow in order to be successful. I would say let's start off with step number 1. Uploading is very important because I would say like if you put out your videos, like I was thinking this to myself, what you do on YouTube, it doesn't matter which video you put out, what you're doing could be seen by millions of people. You gotta realize that because posting regularly will like make people like interact more, because like let's say if I want to collaborate with a channel that like a tutorial channel that would say like has like 100,000 subscribers, well I would love to work together, but if the uploader like of that channel posts like a video like 2 months ago, I don't think that's the point of even like working together if he uploaded like 2 months ago a video. Even though he has 100,000 subscribers, I know he doesn't upload for like months. Like why would I even work together with a channel that is not active anymore or not that active? So I would say post regularly and post decent content, take your time for videos, have like a schedule like okay once a week, and then it's like okay Wednesday afternoon at 4 p.m. build it up and like make people know like okay at 4 p.m. every Wednesday video is coming out. So post regularly, don't spam videos, that's the thing. Like choose quality over quantity. That's what I would say, and let's move on to step number 2. Creating exciting content means that exciting is like that your viewers are looking forward to, that you enjoy playing. So let's take it like an example, like a gaming video. So I think most people that are playing games, they look forward to playing games. So what you do is you look forward to to record your games, of course, and then the people on YouTube are looking forward to watch your videos, because that's the thing of people, like they look forward to it. Like even like those really small things, guys, people are just exciting to watch your content. Even if your content is good, people are always coming back and always commenting and liking and sharing and favoriting. That's how it works, guys. You just gotta be consistent and up and like record what you like, because if you are going to record something you don't like but you're going to record it because it's like hot at the moment, you're really gonna notice that like that you don't like to play that game, like other games you like, Minecraft or GTA, whatever games you play. So make sure that you just upload what you like, guys. I didn't upload Sony Vegas like 2.5 years ago just because it's like popular program. No, I just started making tutorials out of nothing. I don't know why. I don't know, like it kind of escalated and now I have like a series that almost 100 episodes, and that's how I just figured out Sony Vegas. I'm not going to Google like what is hot at the moment and then make a video about that, because that's the bad thing. Like don't like start YouTube in order to try to get views or money or whatever by uploading content that's hot at the moment, because you're gonna notice it that you're doing it like just for the numbers and not like for the game and how much you like it and viewers. I don't know, guys, make sure to upload exciting content that you will look forward to record and edit and upload, that your fans also look forward to see, to come back every Wednesday. So I would say let's move on to step number 3. Okay, so having an original idea is actually pretty crucial, and let me tell you before I go further into this step, there's like a difference between stealing a video idea and being inspired of it. So let's say someone recently uploaded the Sony Vegas tutorial about how to animate texts. I got a tweet from someone literally that he made like the same video that I did, like how to animate text, like even the same title, like Sony Vegas 13 how to tutorial number. He recreated everything of my video. This guy is not stealing my tutorial ideas, but he's just watching my videos and he says like I want to do this too, and he's just being inspired of him, because he's not stealing anything. I don't see it as stealing. I'm just like, okay, dude, I'm touching so many people's lives with those tutorials and helping people out, and I don't see like this guy is stealing my ideas. He's just being inspired and wants to upload tutorials himself. The thing is, when you're stealing an idea, you will recreate a popular video, or like the topic of a video, and you do everything the same. Like you will say exactly the same that's being said in the video. You will actually just like repeat that exactly. You just want to have the same thumbnail, the same description, the same tags, even like the same description, everything, the same titles, thumbnails, the whole 9 yards. That's stealing an idea to be able to, you know, hit views or money with someone else's content. Well, not like someone else's content, but the idea of it. So like there's a difference between being inspired and like, you know, try to like make your own tutorials. That's basically how to be inspired. But if you're going to, let's say, if you're going to copy all my thumbnails, like so in the face, me standing on the left, and then we have like 2 bars and then the name. When I see that then someone is actually copying my work. But if I see someone like, you know, making tutorials, like, I don't care. I have inspired them. So make sure to create or like get your original ideas. And this video actually is not like copied from someone else, like how to be successful. I have no idea who else is uploading this. I don't care. I don't even have the time to do that, guys. Like, who uploaded how to be successful on YouTube? What, like, how many YouTubers have uploaded that? Well, dude, screw that. I don't have any time for that. So I would say let's move on to step number 4. Okay, promoting yourself is actually pretty important. So what you want to do is, promoting yourself is not going into Facebook groups and spam your channel link there, like subscribe to my channel or watch this video and like this video. Don't do that, because that's spamming. That's not promoting. Promoting is put yourself somewhere out, like boom, once, like short and powerful, like, okay, this is my channel. If you're into Black Ops 3, go check it out. That's the good thing. And then maybe a link to your channel or like to a video. But don't spam like, come check out my video, I will do a giveaway at 10 likes, and like the third comment is going to get a Steam gift card and everything else. Like, don't just, promoting yourself is actually saying like, guys, I have a new video out, go check it out. You can tweet that once, and then like a few hours, like, or like a day later, I don't know, you can place like, have you seen my original video yet? Go check it out, you know, like a reminder. There's a difference between promoting yourself and spamming your social media, actually. Like, don't post like a tweet every 15 minutes like, my new video is out, and have you seen the new video yet? Catch up just with this video. I uploaded a new video. What do you think of this video? Like, dude, just take your time. Don't spam anywhere. Promote yourself here and there. I would say let's move on. So you want to create a good channel, and what I mean with this is you want to like use a few things. Like, I would say you must use a profile picture, you know, to give your like channel like something, like a theme, you know. And then you also want to set up a banner, and then I would say like a good, you know, channel name, everything. Those 3 things are pretty crucial to be able to have like a good channel. So like how to make a banner and thumbnail and, you know, like profile picture. Everything is coming soon, so don't post in the comments like, post a tutorial about that one. I have everything coming, guys, don't worry. I have like 45 ideas, 45 videos. That's freaking a long time. So that's what I would say for a good channel. Just create like a nice standard banner, good name on your channel, and a good profile picture. A banner, profile picture, a banner, and a good name will get you a lot further than when you're just starting out. Okay, so moving on to step number 6. Responding to comments is very crucial, actually, because the thing is, like, when people are asking a question, they're doing it for a reason. Like, there's a difference between, sweet video, man, looking forward to your next one. You can like reply thanks. If someone is saying like, dude, how did you record your gameplay? It's so smooth. They really want to know that. So I would recommend go to youtube.com/comments, and you can see all your comments that you received, and you just go and you can like answer them like manually one at a time. To keep your subscribers satisfied. So make sure to reply to comments, like people have questions about you or your channel or your video, whatever. So make sure to reply to comments, and that's basically like a nice way to build up a relationship that you are interacting with them. And also be respectful to haters, because when you're going to say like a hater, like, dude, fuck off, I don't care what you say, you're a retard and stuff, other people that like you might read that and you think like, okay, wow, he's very offensive against like a negative comment. So even the haters get like, this video sucks, I would comment like, okay, can you tell me what sucks so I can improve? So that's what I would say. So it's that simple, guys. So I would say let's move on to step number 7. Linking your social media links to your profile is very crucial if you want to promote yourself like automatically when a video goes live. You can link your Twitter and your Google Plus on your channel, so anytime you upload a video, you will get like a post on your feed, on your Twitter, Google Plus, like I have a new video, boom, and then you can promote it that way. Then your followers can see it. So just, you know, be active on all platforms you possibly can be active on. You just want to like use a lot of social media so you can build up like a fan base on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google Plus, whatever. Link your channel to your social media. Also to promote it actually a little bit. So I would say those are the 7 tips I would give to like be successful on YouTube, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and that's all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions regarding this topic, make sure to drop them in the comments down below, and I will try to reply to all of them, you know, underneath the video, because like they're adding up a lot, so I just gotta like reply to a lot of comments. So basically, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys like next week Saturday for 2 new videos about like evolving into a better YouTuber. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot. Thank you for the continued support, and I will see you guys next week on JustAlexHalford, and tomorrow, of course, always for new videos. So thanks again, and I will see you guys next week.